Babe, you're making me
I'm
nervous.
doing what to say.
Well, why are you standing like
I never
this?
felt it. I never
First of all,
done TikTok. I'm sorry.
This isn't TikTok.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lexi, and this is my husband, Tommy. I thought today would be fun to make chocolate chip cookies, but since he doesn't really understand how difficult it is sometimes to make cookies, he thinks I can whip up a batch like that. I'm gonna make him do everything today. So are you ready?
Born ready.
Oh my god. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing you're gonna start with is 2 cups of flour. So in your bowl you have a sifter, which means we're gonna sift the flour. So you're gonna dip it in there. Nope, that's sugar. Okay, and use your knife to make it level. Use the back of it, yep. Do it one more time. Okay, then you're gonna put it in there. And then you're gonna do it one more time. Okay, now set that aside. And now you're gonna hold this and you're gonna, without making a mess, you're gonna sift it, bang it against your hands. You're gonna go like that. Yep, but go fast. There you go. So we're gonna take our baking soda and we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which is that. Oh, good. Now put it
I've
in.
watched her plenty of times.
Okay, now we got baking soda and then you need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I have the salt out. Right there. That's a little bit. It's the power of editing. Okay, now pour your salt in. Okay, and now you're just gonna lightly, don't get it everywhere, just mix it all together. That way it's all combined and ready to go. You can set your flour aside. The whole bowl, yep. And then let's grab our butter. And you're gonna dump all the butter in there. So we have 1 cup of butter.
And the butter is slightly melted, and we have it.
Go ahead.
So to our butter, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. So you can add all of that to the mixture. We're gonna add 2/3 cup of sugar. So use that and we'll put 2 of those. Okay, now we're gonna add our paddle attachment. So you hook this up with the front of it and then you're gonna twist it once it's done. So push up, nope, nope, push all the way up. Push all the way up. Up, now twist.
Doesn't work.
Okay, now it's on.
Now it's on.
So we're going to lock it and then turn it on to low, medium speed.
You didn't turn on, you plug it in.
It's over here.
Why is it opposite? Make no sense. There you go.
So we're just gonna combine all the ingredients until they're together. It's gonna be like, skip to garden, you know? So to this, we're going to add our 1 large egg. Yep. Well, you can mark right here if you want. Okay, and you just set that aside. And then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So here's your vanilla, and then use it. You need it.
I'm wearing boxers.
You gotta speak it.
I'm wearing boxers.
See, we look nice from here up, But if you go down,
We're naked.
no, we're not.
How many teaspoons?
2. Make sure you fill it to the top. Because the last one you didn't. Do it over the bowl so that way if you... No, you're not at the rim. Go over the bowl and pour it. There you go. Okay, that'll work. Lock it and start it on low. Okay, we're gonna stop it and then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar kind of gives the recipe a tang. You're not really going to taste it. It's more just for it to enhance all the other flavors. Right?
Now you're gonna take your flour mixture that we made earlier, and you're gonna dump it all in there carefully so that way it's not all over the place.
And we're back. Like and subscribe this button.
They're not gonna know it's a pause. It's gonna be edited.
I thought we already had the commercial break because we get paid from the commercials. Let's do it.
Well, now, no. You gotta mix all your flour in. Okay, this you have to put, hold on.
This is key.
Take your towel and you're gonna put it around. That way all the flour initially doesn't go everywhere because you don't want a cloud of flour. Put it on low.
I've never seen her do this.
I do it all the time.
I've never seen you do this,
Okay. That's because you're usually watching TV while I'm baking and slaving away and bringing in the money. Okay. You can set it up, or you can put it up like 1 notch higher. I wouldn't go much higher than that.
No?
No, just leave it, Okay, turn it off. Alright, our batter is all incorporated. Let's get it up. Okay, use your paddle attachment and, your spatula and clean off all this dough that's on here. Okay, now we're gonna take the bowl off. We're gonna set our mixer to the side. So here is the dough. So you're gonna scrape the sides of the bowl, get it all like in a ball together. Make sure there's no flour on the bottom of the bowl or on the sides. Now you can add your chocolate chip. He's been dying to add the chocolate chips since like the 2nd stage. So this is 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and he's gonna pour them in. You're gonna fold it in. Normally all the chocolate chips kind of automatically fall to the bottom, which is totally fine. But you're gonna reserve some chocolate chips. Make sure you have some on hand. So that way when we scoop the cookies out onto the tray, you can add chocolate chips on top to make it a little bit more prettier. Okay, so we got our baking sheet out. Oh, to get even cookies, how I learned. I apologize. Tommy's head's cut off, but I want you guys to be able to see the pan while
I'm
we're doing
6'2" in person.
No, he's not. So I had to lower the camera, but I need you to see this. So if he's being dumb and you can only see half his face, that is why. But I'm really all that matters because it's my channel. Anyways.
Wow, why'd you make me do this?
So we're using a ice cream scoop with the little clip right here, and this is so that way every single cookie is
What?
Every single cookie is exactly the same size. So
remember to like and subscribe. Here we go.
Yes. Not that much. No.
What am I doing?
Okay, so watch. You're gonna take this, bring it up to the side of the bowl, and make sure you're gonna make sure it's even with the scoop.
Looks like cookies and cream ice cream.
And then you'll just scoop it on in one of the circles. Okay.
Hey, there you go.
Okay, next.
For like and subscribe. Said I was going too slow, so I'm letting the professional take over.
love my husband to death, but he's a big time jokester and doesn't take anything seriously.
That's why she loves me.
So when I asked to do this video, I'm like, okay, you gotta be on your best behavior. You can't say certain things. You can't flex your titties like he was.
Yes.
Yeah, let's not do that.
And say we did.
Okay, so here are the cookies. They're all evenly spaced. They're all the same size. We're going to put them in the oven at 350 degrees. I'm gonna start it off at 10 minutes and then we'll go from there, okay? Oh, I forgot to put chocolate chips on top.
But she
Babe,
talks so highly of it.
I know I did, I apologize. Babe, can you get the chocolate chips? So right now that last tray made about, that made a dozen. Although the last batch looked pretty good with chocolate chips, so I'm not really worried that...
Like and subscribe.
I'm gonna add some chocolate chips. And guys, like my husband's been saying the entire video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out. And if I know you guys like a video or what kind of content you like, then I can make more of it.
Maybe I'll join more videos.
I don't know if we want that. We'll see.
If you guys comment and say you like me, I'll be in more.
It's made approximately 21 cookies. He literally just like piled these on top instead of sticking them in the dough. You want to stick them in the dough so that way they'll be incorporated evenly.
Something incorporated.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, we are back. And yes, Tommy's in a different shirt. No, I do not know why. Stop smiling.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so the cookies came out, and this is how they look. They are crispy on the outside. They are nice and chewy on the inside. And yes, they come out flat, but that's how I like my cookies. The thicker the cookie, the more like hard they are, and I don't like that. So let's try it.
I can't, I'm on a diet. But you first, man. Very good at melting your mouth. Kind of messy, but they're good. You need some milk.
Let me show you guys what they look up close. So that's how they look. Here's the back. And you can see they just split right open. There's, ooh, I look scary. Okay. They're good.
Like and subscribe.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Me and my husband absolutely love doing this together.
I'll be in more videos.
This was definitely a challenge. Let me say that. All the bakers out there, I challenge you to bake something with your spouse because it is not easy and they do not understand what we go through. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.
Bye.
Tag point.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Like and subscribe.
These are all gonna be bloopers. Anyways.
You recording?
Yep. Dance moment.
Come on. I'm editing this part out.
First of all,
Ridiculous.
he doesn't even
And all of this is getting edited. Ridiculous.